Good morning everyone. In this video we will understand the concept of distance and displacement, which is our next topic. Let us consider Jerry is at some position and we know that Jerry loves cheese and cheese is at a length of 5 meters. But somehow Jerry comes to know that Tom is sitting in the mid of the path. So is Jerry going to follow this path now? No. So what Jerry will do? Jerry will follow either this path or this other path. So the distance or the actual length or the total length that Jerry will follow just to reach the cheese will give you the distance. Therefore, we can have distance is equals to total length of the path, which is either 6 plus 4 is equals to 10 meter, or the second path 4 plus 5 is equals to 9 meter. Distance tells us how much the particular body has travelled. Therefore, distance will give you the length. Length will give you the value, how much, that is equals to the numerical value. This numerical value we have already discussed gives you the magnitude, and if any physical quantity only deals with the magnitude, it is a scalar 1. The SI unit of distance is meter. It is always positive. Distance is never in negative. We never say that we have travelled a distance of minus 50 kilometer. We never. Hence, it can never be 0. Since it is always positive, hence it can never be 0. Now, if someone asks you, what is the shortest route that Jerry can follow just to reach the cheese? What is the shortest route that the Jerry can follow just to reach the cheese? So we don't think so there is any other possible shortest route than this. Because Jerry can either follow this as well just to reach the cheese, or this path just to reach the cheese, or this path just to reach the cheese. But none of them gives us the unique distance. Therefore, the shortest path which Jerry is following is this one. But if Jerry is knowing only one information, that the cheese is at a distance of 5 meters, is it sufficient for him? No. Because this 5 meters can be in any direction, either in this, or toward this, or toward this, or toward this. So what he need to follow? He need to know the direction as well. Therefore, if Jerry is knowing that the cheese is at a distance of 5 meters toward northeast, then it will be easy for Jerry just to reach the cheese. Therefore, the displacement is equals to shortest path travelled, which is equals to 5 meters. From the formula, we can have displacement is equals to final position minus initial position. Because from the name itself, displacement combines of dis plus placement. Dis means change, placement means position. Therefore, when there is a change in position, that gives you displacement. Displacement, which is the shortest route. This shortest route includes the magnitude of 5 meters plus the direction, that was northeast. Therefore, when a physical quantity comprises of magnitude and direction, it becomes a vector 1. The SI unit of displacement is meter. It can be negative also. Therefore, since displacement is negative, it can be 0. So, in our next video, we will understand the concept why distance can never be 0 and displacement can be 0. Thank you.